Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Yesterday when we analyzed the Nifty chart after looking at the global market, yes, global market was green and Gift Nifty also was indicating that our market will open somewhere near 22,700. But I clearly said that at the upper level, there's no other stop loss hunting area. At the same time, I said FII will push the market even lower before they cover their shorts. Neil also I had clearly explained that FII wants more retail traders to enter before they cover their short. As per yesterday analysis, the view was very clear. At the upper level, we'll start looking for put option trade. At the lower level, we'll be looking for a call option trade, right? That logic itself, I entered the market today. Now, the first thing which we did is somewhere around 9:17 in our private Telegram group, I discussed about important resistance and support level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next, around 9:30, I shared this 2-minute video where I clearly explain all the logic behind at the lower level. In case Bank Nifty moves towards the downside, there's an opportunity on the call option side here. And in Nifty also, even if it moves towards the downside, breaking all this level, still there is a possibility of Nifty moving towards the upside. With that logic itself, I plan my trade today. Now, when market was in between, if it had moved to the upper level, this was the area where we could expect a reversal. Same thing in Nifty. But market started to move towards the downside. That time, I clearly said that Nifty has now come to the supporting area and Bank Nifty as well. One index breaks the support and other index coming to the support, there is going to be a reversal in the market. As soon as the setup gave me confidence, I clearly explained here at 10:15 saying that I'm planning my entry at the support. Market is volatile, so reduce quantity. This market might not be for everyone. Usually Monday market can be volatile. And I also said that for many, it will be better to wait for the reversal setup at the upper level as shown above. This is the reversal area which I was discussing about. Now I plan my trade in Nifty today. Exactly at the support, I entered a call option. I captured this moment. I exited the market somewhere here. After my exit, Nifty moved additional 15 to 20 points. But based on my experience, I thought it is better to exit here because a sudden spike giving a breakout within 1 or 2 seconds, the market can quickly reverse. That time, whatever profit I made, I will start losing. So with decent profit, what I made, I exited the trade. At the same time, I shared this setup of Bank Nifty where I said, Bank Nifty from this area, we can see a reversal. At what time did I say this? I said this at 10:46. Now, if you open Bank Nifty chart, you can clearly see that exactly after breaking this level, market started reversing. Now, this movement was close to 400 points towards the downside. Now, in Nifty also, after I exited, the market moved down by close to 100 points. Now, for me, entering the trade at the support worked perfectly. At the same time, my logic behind not to enter even if the market gives a breakout also worked perfectly because the market moved as per our direction. Now traders, the video and the updates which I shared in the private Telegram group, I have also forwarded that to free Telegram channel. I highly recommend you to go and check out this video because we have discussed a lot of important concepts related to price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology. This can be very useful in the future when you trade, okay? Even during the live market, around 11 o'clock itself, I had discussed about this setup in the free Telegram channel also. So this was about today's market trade. Now traders, there are two stock specific information which I want to discuss with you. We'll discuss that and then I'll quickly discuss about the global market sentiment. We have not got FII and DIA data as of now, but with the current market sentiment, we will see what kind of trading plan we can have in tomorrow's market. Okay. The first stock which I want to discuss about is India Bank. They have come out with their Q4 results. The net profit has jumped by 55% to 2,240 crores and net interest also has increased by 9%. Now traders, what I'm going to tell you is not specific for Indian Bank. It is to all public sector bank. You see, I personally, I do not invest in any public sector bank. Now in this generation itself, how many of you have an account with public sector bank? Now how many of you prefer to go to public sector's bank until and unless it is absolutely required? How many of you open an account with public sector bank? Because the services what we get from private sector bank are more superior than public sector bank. Don't get me wrong, public sector bank is the backbone of the country. Without public sector bank, a country cannot run. That I understand. But if I have to invest, I will be investing in private sector banks. For example, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Karnataka Bank, South Indian Bank. When these stocks fall and they're trading in attractive price, that is when I will consider. I will not rely on public sector bank. This is my personal opinion, and I'm not asking you to invest in private sector bank. I just wanted to share with you how I view public sector bank. Now coming to Kotak Bank also, I'm not going to invest in that because in the last 5 years, the stock has not given any good returns. Recently, it has gone below 3 years low. Recently also, Kotak Bank came up with results, right? It was positive today also. I believe the stock moved up by 2 or 3%. I don't remember as of now, but still as of now, I'm not going to go and invest in Kotak Bank because I don't think it is trading at a attractive price. All right. Now I discussed all this because I wanted to share my view, how I look at public sector bank and private sector bank. It's up to you. If you're happy with holding these stocks, you can hold it. Or if you're planning to invest in private sector bank, contact your financial advisor, take their suggestion, and then see if you can consider these stocks or not. Now the next stock which I want to discuss about is IIFL Finance. Now recently this stock faced some heat in the market because usually when you give gold loan, you have to just give for 75% of the value of the gold. But this company gave more than that, 80%, 90% the value. Now because this issue has been highlighted by RBI, banks which used to lend amount for this company, they're not providing the fund. Banks are neither sanctioning new line of credit nor disbursing from already sanctioned limits. So many banks are not giving credit for this company. Because of this, the cash flow of this company has reduced. Banks have stopped lending to IFL Finance Gold and other businesses, and the official said, adding that the impact of the curve on overall business has been affected. In Business Standard, this article has come out. Please go and have a look. Now, regularly I've been telling you that I'm investing in gold piece and gold loan company. I'm not investing in this stock. I'm doing it in Muthoot Finance, Manappuram Finance. These two stocks are in my watch list, not IFL. If you're holding the stock, then please look into it. This is a negative news. What you want to do next, plan accordingly. These are the two stock specific things which I wanted to discuss. Apart from this, there's no big stock specific update as per my knowledge. Now coming to global sentiment, India VIX is somewhere around 16. So the market can be volatile towards the upside or downside. Now many people are worried about what kind of election results is going to happen. The heat related to election is always there. But more than sentiment related to election, I feel the big players are looking for small opportunities to trap retail traders and covering their shots. It can be towards the upside or unwinding from the top. I feel in these kind of situation is where we have opportunities to capture big movement in the market. In today's Bank Nifty trade also, we already discussed the big players will not exit the market here, right? They will push the market even lower. I'll discuss all about that in the next session of the video when I analyze both Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. But as of now, market sentiment is neutral. Not necessary, it is only because of the election season. As of now, FII DIA data has not yet come, but once we look at that information, we will get better idea as to what can be the next plan of the big players. Now quickly we will analyze both Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for tomorrow's trade. Trade is this chart of Nifty 5 minutes time frame. Now in price action there is a pattern where market continuously it will start moving towards the downside, attracting more put option buyers. At some point of time, if it breaks this level, retest, gives a breakout, then it can move towards the upside to remove all the people who entered put option. Now in this Nifty chart, you can observe similar kind of pattern. At the upper level, let's say the big players shorted the market. Now at every pullback, they are giving opportunities for retail traders to enter at the trendline resistance. At some point of time, market can come out of this zone. Maybe here it can give a breakout, retest, and then it can start moving towards the upside to remove all the weak players from the market. Now this movement we can consider as a short covering rally by the big players to cover their short which they did at the upper level. So I hope you have understood the logic behind the trade. Now to save time, I've already marked some important levels in the market. So tomorrow, let's say market opens somewhere here or here, directly if it gives a breakout, I'm not interested in a call option trade. Or even if it goes up to this area, gives a breakout, I'm not interested in a call. The market has to again retrace, make retail traders believe that this resistance is area from where market fresh position can be added. After attracting enough number of people, that is when market has a chance of moving towards the upside to remove all the weak people who entered put option side. So tomorrow market, if it breaks this level, retest again. If it sustains above this area with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option trade where this will be the first target, this area will be the second target. If market is only extremely bullish, this area will be the third target. In case market opens flat somewhere here or here, let's say it gave a breakdown here. Still, I'm not interested in a put. Looking at this breakdown, many people might enter put, but I'm not comfortable there. Rather, entering a put option trade in the market can be if market breaks this important supporting area, right? Retest, again gives a breakdown. That time maybe I will consider a put option. Or one more setup. Let's say market gave a breakdown, moved towards the downside, went for a retest, again it broke the day's low. I know where to place my stop loss, where can be my first target, and what area can be my second target. Like this, at the pullback, I'm considering put. Until then, I will hold on to the trade. More time the market tests this resistance level, this level becomes weak, let market come out of the zone. That is when I'll be looking for a call option trade to capture the short covering rally along with the big players. See traders, I can be absolutely wrong. Maybe even I can get trapped in the market. That is why during the live market itself, we mark important support and resistance level. We trade as per our risk capacity. If market is not going as per our direction, without thinking too much, we are going to exit. Sometimes we might lose additional points also, but we will try our best to recover it from the next trade. Market is all about probability. We will see where we have potential of capturing a moment. Just like today, we identify an opportunity, we'll try to capture that. If market reverse and hit our stop loss without thinking too much, we exit. Now in Bank Nifty also, I mark some important levels on the chart. Please mark this as well. Now if you have understood the logic about Nifty, the same thing applies for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty breaks this level tomorrow, I'm not interested in a put option trade. After attracting enough number of put option traders, market can move towards the upside. If market consolidates at this area, 49,970 to 980 level, if it gives a breakout with small stop loss, I'll be considering a call option where all of these levels towards the upside will be my target. Once market gives a breakout here at the upper level, I will plan my exit. You can see all the levels is clearly mentioned here. So you can mark those levels on the chart. If it opens with a gap up from this resistance, even if it falls, I'll be looking for a reversal setup on the call option side. Wherever I am getting a decent opportunity, I will try to enter a call option. If market is just consolidating within this range, no trade. But in case in the future market comes out of this range, retest, gives a breakdown, that is when I'll be more focused on a put option trade in the market. This is where big movement can happen, where I expect market to go up to 47,375. Still FII data has not come out, but as of now, this is the plan. Tomorrow morning in our private Telegram group, I will discuss about additional support and resistance level in the market. Depending on how market is reacting at these areas, we will plan our trade accordingly. Now, this is my view about the market. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.